Question number 3 was answered last time. Now we are in question number 4 for the bar exam 2024. In the 2022 elections, Pogo, 27 years old, was won as provincial governor. Pogo took his oath of office and discharged his duties. Maxwell, a registered voter, filed a petition for quo warranto against Pogo on the ground that he cannot hold the office of the provincial governor. Maxwell alleged that the Pogo was born in Vietnam and submitted his Vietnamese passport as conclusive evidence that he is not a Filipino citizen. In contrast, Pogo opposed the petition and presented his belated registered birth certificate in a natural born citizen of the Philippines. Is Maxwell correct that Pogo cannot hold the office of provincial governor? Explain. So, answer no. Maxwell is not correct. Article 4 of the 1987 Constitution, Section 1 states, the following are citizens of the Philippines. 2. Those whose fathers or mothers are citizens of the Philippines. Pogo is Filipino citizen under Jus Sanguinis principle. And Pogo don't need to elect Filipino citizenship because Pogo was just born in 1995. By definition, Jus Sanguinis is defined as by by blood, as when a child is born of Filipino parents whenever he may be born. Further, a Filipino who marries an alien does not lose her citizenship. As a general rule, she remains a Filipino citizen unless, by her act as or omission, she is deemed to have renounced Philippine citizenship. Section 4, Article 4, 1987 Constitution. If the Filipino swears to an oath and acquires the citizenship of the alien spouse, she loses her Philippine citizenship. Thus, Pogo was born from Filipino citizen mother. Furthermore, the problem does not state whether Pogo mother was married. The citizenship of the child with an unmarried mother, the child follows the citizenship of the mother. Sierra versus Republic L. 4223 May 12, 1952. Natural born citizens are those who are citizens of the Philippines from birth without having to perform an act to acquire or perfect the citizenship. A former natural born citizen who repatriated reverts to his former status as a natural born because repatriation retroacts to the moment of birth. Wingson versus Heret, GR number 142,840, 7 May 2001. Lastly, a naturalized citizen is one who is not natural born. To make the story short, Section 5, Paragraph 2 of Republic Act number 9225 compels natural-born Filipinos who have been naturalized as citizens of a foreign country, but also reacquired as retained their Philippine citizenship to take the oath of allegiance under Section 3 of RA 9225, and 2 for those seeking elective public offices in the Philippines to additionally execute a personal and sworn renunciation of any and all foreign citizenship before an authorized public officer prior or simultaneous to the filing of their certificates of candidacy to qualify as candidates in Philippine election. So that's it. That's the answer for number 4 question in the 2024 bar exam. So thank you for listening and you may have a good karma. Thank you.